Make chickpeas curry. Okay, I have soaked dried chickpeas overnight for 8 hours, and I have made this. I boiled it pressure cooker for 3 whistles, and it was really good. It's boiled now, and it's going. Now we have to make masala for this. For that, what I'm going to do is this is a small onion, a little bit of small onion. Yeah, I don't have the measurements here. You know, just a handful of small onion. No. Okay, let's say 5 to 6 small onion and 6 to 7 garlics. Garlic is really, we love garlic. So I'm just going to add more garlic for this. And I already did grated coconut, freshly grated coconut here. And I'm going to do masala for this. So here we have grated coconut, garlic, onion, small onions. Just there you go. That's 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and yeah, that's it. I'm gonna grind this. Let's boil this first. I've already added some salt, rock salt, and some turmeric. Now I'm gonna add this masala right here. Put my hand and remove everything. I'm just gonna take a couple of tomatoes. 2 tomatoes. That's enough, I think. I'm gonna cut this and make a paste of this one also. No worries. And we can add some chili powder to this itself. I hope you can see this. Yeah, this couple of tomatoes, this big, and 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoon, or if you like 3 teaspoons of chili powder and coriander powder. Again 3-4 teaspoons, like this, like so. What will happen is it will the magic of paste, divine. Ooh, that's large. I'm just gonna stir this. I'm gonna put all this paste in here. Water. I didn't have to use my hand at all. Now this goes into the sink aside. Now it's going to be fantastic. Let this simmer for nearly 30 minutes. I think I've added everything. It's going to be watery, but it will definitely get thickened up as soon as it boils. Chickpeas is boiled. Now I'm going to keep it open and let it boil for a few minutes, 30 minutes. And meanwhile, I will, for seasoning, I'm going to prepare some onion, this big onion, and some curry leaves. That's because I keep washing it, you know, it's just black because I keep washing it very often. One day at least 2 or 3 times I wash it, and that's the reason. I'll keep all my waste here. And these are really washed, nice, fresh curry leaves. I'm just gonna, this is getting boiled here. As you can see, the aroma is just fantastic. So as you can see, it's come to a good full boil. Still it has to boil because it has to simmer, so like for nearly an hour. Only then the taste will come. It's still watery. I need more thickening here, so I'm just going to leave it for another 15-20 minutes. 15-20 minutes later. Now I need to season it. For that, I'll take a wok. This aluminium. I'm just going to heat it up. And oh, shoot. That's 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to put it. And I'm going to have this cover so that it doesn't splutter like this. Let it get heated up. If it splutters over the camera or so, I'm just going to be careful with this. Now it's hot. Simmer it down. 1 teaspoon of mustard. That's that much. And this is fenugreek. Very good for health. It has a bitter taste, but it gives you so much of flavor of fenugreek as it soaks in the curry, keeps adding the taste, flavor more and more. The ginger has been averted. Now I'll put onion. The onion should be really brown, golden brown. Only then the flavor will get enhanced. Ooh. There's some raw onion here. I'm just going to use that. So you should be very careful. This golden brown is what we are looking for. That's because I need this sound. That's the sound of taste. That's the sound of taste. Tea is ready. I'm going to present it with rice and this and papadam. I'm going to do. Wait for the oil to nicely give out smoke. Ah, look how big it is. Wait for the oil to heat up because the temperature would have come down. Ah. I'm gonna have some. This is the presentation. So this is how we present, this is how we eat. I clean my hand. And I'm gonna eat it right now. A little bit. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. 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 See how it does.